Hello everyone, in this video I will show you easy way to add or minus value in Blender. Basically, when we want to add value, we need to slide until we get the value we want. For example, this we slide first. Another way to add value is calculate on calculator and type the value we already calculate. I add pen 20x at the value we desire value. For example, I add 10. Okay, so we need 10. Is the way to add value. So I will show you the best and easy value to minus or add value in Blender. The easy way to add or minus value is just type the operation in value tab. This one, just type operation here. For example, if I want to add 3, I just type add 3. As you can see, the value is changed and the object also change the position. And then if I want to minus value with 20, I just go here and type minus 20 and click enter. As you can see, the value is changed and the object is changed. You can use this method to all this value you see on the Blender. You can use all here. You can use operation here like I shown. So hope the tips help you when you using Blender, and thanks for watching.